Alright, Psychology Assessment 11, Question 8. What is the frequency theory of hearing? So at the moment we're trying to organize the different theories of hearing. Alright, we went through the place theory of hearing. Now we're going to go over the frequency theory of hearing. So the entire basilar membrane vibrates as a whole when responding to sound. And this is known as the frequency theory of hearing. So remember that the basilar membrane is located within the inner ear and receives messages from the middle ear, right? Now this theory itself says that the basilar membrane vibrates as a whole, and depending on the frequency will determine the neural impulses that it sends out through the auditory nerve to the brain, right? So if the basilar membrane receives a high pitch or high frequency sound, the basilar membrane will shoot neural impulses or neural messages to the brain at a greater pace compared to receiving a lower frequency or a lower pitch sound. Okay, so that's ideally what the frequency theory is. Depending on the frequency will determine the amount of neural impulses the basilar membrane will send to the auditory nerve that will send to the brain. If that makes sense. Remember that the place theory of hearing states that certain areas within the basilar membrane are highly responsive when when receiving a specific frequency.